Pets and animals, we all love them, don't we? They're our pride and joy. Hello, I'm Gabe from PETA, the People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, here with my cat Bella. And did you know, last year, 3.7 million animals were used in research for toxicity testing, education, and biology, often resulting in the deaths of animals like guinea pigs, dogs, mice, and cats. In our sad entertainment industry, racehorses can be injected with cocaine and other illegal drugs to disguise their pain from the race. In 2015, 9.2 million animals were killed for the food industry, with animals like sheep and ducks. In our clothing industry, 10 million animals are trapped every year for the use of their fur. These stats are frightening and appalling. It is such a shame.
Hi, I'm Jake, and here at PETA, we have been the prime influencers in stopping companies like Michael Kors and Burlington Coat Factory from using fur for their clothes. We have also been able to help restaurants like Habit Burger and Panera add vegan options to their menu. With our help, animals have been used less in circuses and for rides in cities like New York City. So if you care about your pets and animals, please consider donating some time or money to PETA.